Are you ready to work very hard today with tithe notes? Remember that when you have a tithe note, you have to hold and count for the value of that note, but don't play. Pay attention to the fifth, fourth, and third intervals that you're gonna have to play, either with left hand or right hand. We have 32 measures in this piece. We're gonna have 4 counts in each measure, and our dynamics are going to be forte, mezzo forte, mezzo piano. Then again over here, forte, mezzo forte, forte again. For articulation, you have some legatos and some staccatos. Can you see them? Can you see all the tithe notes? For example, the second line on the first page and the second line on the second page are gonna have tithe notes on the left hand. Then the third line on the first page and also on the second page, it's gonna have tithe notes for the right hand. You have another tithe notes on measure 13 and 14, and then on measure 17 and 18. So you know you're gonna be holding those tithe notes for the value of the notes. The other hand is gonna be playing, so it's very important to count aloud and count steady. When it's time to highlight, you know that you can highlight all what you think is important. I will remind you what is very important in this lesson, which is the tithe notes. More than highlighting, I would like you to write an X on each note that is tithe and that you don't play but count. I also wrote hold above or below those notes that I put the X so I can remember to hold and count. Quarter rests are also important to highlight in this piece. You still count and don't play. The dynamics are also very important to highlight so you remember the volume that you're going to play. Circle the top number of the time signature and write your counts. Right hand finger 1 is going to play on treble G. Left hand finger 1 is going to play on bass G. That's going to be forte, 4 counts, some staccatos and legatos on the last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On measure 5, 6, 7, and 8, the left hand is gonna play on C and G. It's a 5th interval, and it's gonna be tithe for the next 3 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand is gonna play a 5th interval, 4th interval, 3rd interval, and 4th interval. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 is a quarter rest and we are playing mezzo forte. The next line, measure 9, 10, 11, and 12. Left hand is going to play the different intervals. 5th interval, 4th, 3rd, and 4th, and then legato. And right hand is gonna be tithe. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, and rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 13 will be mezzo piano, and we're going to play with left hand F and G, and it's going to be tithe on measure 13 and 14 for 4 counts each measure. And then on the right hand, we have legato on the first 2 measures, then staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Next line on the next page is going to be measure 17 and 18, 19 and 20. The first two measures is just like measure 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then forte with both hands at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next line is just like the second line. We play mezzo forte. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next line, measure 25, 26, 27, and 28, is just like the third line, measure 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to count the quarter rests. On measure 29, 30, 31, and 32, we play forte. Watch the legatos and staccatos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work very hard in the dynamics because there's many through all the piece. Have a great week and see you next time.